A woman called police to report a clerk selling beer to a minor. Within minutes, she was the one being arrested. Viewer advisory. This footage shows restraint of a person in apparent mental health crisis.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Hi.
Lady guys here would not leave me alone. She says I'm selling a minor, which I'm not. She don't have an ID on it, so I wouldn't sell her beer. Okay. What the hell?
You want to leave the property?
Please do.
Hi.
Hi, are you the police officer that I got called? Okay.
Sure am.
Okay. I see him selling to a minor. And what did he look like again? What was that?
Sold a cigar to the wife.
No, he sold beer to a minor. He goes to school over there at Akron U.
Okay, call the state liquor control.
Call the state liquor control. I will do that. So you can't arrest him now?
Nope.
But that's what you're supposed to do as a cop, right?
If I have evidence.
If you have evidence. I'm telling you
So
what
he
happened.
wants you to leave the property, okay?
Oh, does he? Oh, does he really? Okay. That's fine. I will. No problem. Who got my weight?
The clerk says she is harassing customers and refuses to leave. He denies selling to a minor. Rather than investigate her complaint, the officer tells her to call state liquor control. Criminal trespass exists when a person remains on property after the owner demands they leave. The reason for the demand does not matter.
You know the property?
You need to arrest me?
Yeah, if you don't leave her.
Why? I didn't do anything.
Criminal trespass.
Is it? It's criminal that you're not arresting me right now after I
The
just told you.
state will do an investigation and give them a day.
Oh, I will.
I don't know. She's not really playing by the rules right now. So.
I'm not doing anything. I called you because he's selling to
He
minors.
wants you to leave the property now.
But you're supposed to come talk to me because he's selling
I'm
to minors.
talking to you.
Yeah,
I told you what
are.
you need to do. Call state liquor, give them a tip.
You're supposed to call state liquor. You're the cops. I don't even know what that is.
Leave the property.
You flipped me for what? I didn't do anything.
Ma'am, do you want to leave the property or do you want to go to jail?
For what? Jail for what?
Because we're telling you you need to leave, so now you're criminally trespassing.
Why am I came to buy something.
Okay, and they want you to leave, which is their right. They can refuse service to you.
No, but he did something wrong.
Okay,
What did I do? I called you.
They want you to leave.
I called you.
Ma'am, are you going to leave?
I called you
Yes
to
or
help
no?
me, and he tried to hit me.
Ma'am, are you going to
He
leave?
tried to hit me, and you're not doing anything about it, huh? Don't
Yeah,
be-
we're going to send you to jail if you don't leave the property. Is what we're going to do. So you're going to leave the property or we have to send you to jail? Huh?
I didn't do anything wrong. You did.
Are you trying to get by?
Oh, they are. Yes, they are.
Are you going to leave?
I don't have to. I
do.
came here to buy something.
Okay,
He's not selling anything.
Ma'am, last chance. Are you
So
going
why
to
is he
leave?
grabbing the beer then? If he's not selling anything and no one's talking to
He's
him.
not selling to you. He doesn't want to sell to you.
How do you know
He
that?
has the right to refuse service to you and ask you to leave his property.
So he can
It's
sell to a
private
minor?
property.
But how did you know that? I didn't tell you that on the phone.
Ma'am, are you going to leave?
Are you
Yes or
leaving?
no?
How did you know that? How did you know that? How did you know? How did you know that?
She refuses to leave. She also alleges the clerk tried to hit her, an allegation the officer does not investigate. That is a shortfall. A citizen reporting an assault on scene deserves at minimum a brief statement. After repeated warnings, she does not leave. 2 officers move in to arrest her. Her cries of "help me" suggest she does not understand, at that moment, that the arrest is lawful. Crisis indicators are present: repetitive speech, dissociation, and disproportionate emotional response. Under Graham versus Connor, force is judged from a reasonable officer's perspective on the scene, not with hindsight.
Are they arrested? Yes, they are. I didn't do anything wrong. Are going to arrest me? Yes, they are.
43.
But I'm good? Yes, you are, Taylor. Drop the phone. No, don't drop the phone. Oh, yeah.
I can't say everybody.
Hey! What did I do? Help me! Help! Oh, help! Help me! Help! Taylor, stop. No, people. Help! I didn't do anything wrong! I didn't do anything! I didn't do anything wrong!
Calm down. Look, no one
I
said
didn't
you
do
did.
it! I didn't do it! He's trying to help me. I didn't do anything wrong! Help me!
Listen.
Get it on video!
It is
He's arrested
it
me for
is
something.
on video.
God, it's on video?
You gotta get in the
Oh,
cruiser.
shit! Help!
Settle.
Help!
Get in the
Help
cruiser.
me! Help!
Settle.
Help!
Get in the cruiser.
Help! Help!
Please
Help
get in the
me!
cruiser.
Help! 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 Help!
We need to put you in a wrap.
Help me!
Listen, if you don't stop, we're going to put you in a wrap.
Help! Help! Help me! Help! Help! I'm not doing anything wrong! Help me! I just made this stop! Help me! Help me! Help! Help! keep going, yes. Help! 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 I didn't do anything wrong!
That's a wrap. We're gonna put you in a wrap.
Why are you going to put me in a wrap?
Because you're not going in the car.
I'm not complying because I didn't do anything. I was at the store and he sold to a minor. Oh my God, I called you for help.
You want to go in there?
Oh man, yes, they are. Oh, Taylor, you're fine. I am, yes, Tay. It's going to hurt a little bit.
She's talking to herself. Let's just put her in it.
What am I doing? I'm not doing nothing wrong. I came to shop at the store.
Okay, listen.
Listen what?
Last chance.
Last chance?
Get in the car. We're putting you in the wrap.
For what? I didn't
Because
do
you are
anything.
under
Criminal
arrest.
trespass.
Huh?
We explained this to you. We gave you multiple lawful commands to leave the property. You did
They
not.
are. Yes, they are. But I didn't do anything.
Okay.
And you're gonna still wrap me up
Yep.
for not doing anything?
Because you're being non-compliant.
Will you
Oh, I
will
am
you
being
get in the back
I'm
seat?
being very compliant.
Will you sit in the back
Should I
seat?
go? Yes, you should.
All right. Have a seat in the back seat.
Because it's gonna get worse than I did you. Exactly, Taylor. You got it.
Okay.
Damn!
Thank
and
you.
everybody got their phones? Yes, they do.
We just pink slipped her last week.
Oh, you know?
Yeah.
She died! The mother... arrest me, because you're all going to be on the... Oh, shit. And they don't know... spit right in their car. But... Oh, they are on the news. Oh, yeah. I told you you're not going to jail. One of them because you just arrested no BS. They did. Oh, and you just showed the cops how racist they really are. Because I didn't do anything. I called you guys for help. Oh, shit! They are scared. Yes, they are. Oh, they're probably gonna cuff us soon. Probably, because they're about to go to jail anyway. Oh, they're about to go to... Oh, they're going to Matamo Bay. These niggas is dumb. Oh, the white devil. That's why they don't hear me screaming. No, they don't. Tay, you good now? Oh, I am. Oh, I know. Because this shit does hurt, babe. Does it? Yes. Yes, it does, but this is the practice run. Oh, it was a practice run. Oh, shit. I think he didn't need... you can get out of them cuffs. I think I can, but don't run, Taylor. This is good. It's making them look bad. Oh, we just made him tighter. It's okay. That's even better, because then we did... you're dumb as fuck. Oh, we did make him tighter on purpose. That makes you look worse. Oh, dog, I didn't do shit. Oh, God, we got to uncuff her. Yes, you do.
We got to get her in mental health court, I think.
When she will not enter the patrol vehicle, officers apply the wrap, a full-body restraint that keeps the subject upright. Her speech fragments. She references having powers and says God is in everybody. These are clinical symptoms. The wrap is safer than the hog tie, but in-custody deaths have been documented, especially involving subjects in psychiatric crisis. Inside the vehicle, she holds a sustained conversation with an entity not visible on camera. An officer is heard saying, "We got to get her in mental health court." The officers recognized this was not an ordinary trespass arrest. The question is not whether the arrest was lawful. It was. The question is whether it was the appropriate response. The responding officer receives a C+, lawful arrest, but no investigation of her assault claim and no crisis-informed response. The subject receives a D+ on the legal framework only. She had a right to call police, but not to remain after being told to leave. The agency receives a C. Officers recognized the crisis but had no framework to respond differently. That gap is systemic. 3 lessons from this encounter, for both citizens and officers. First, calling the police does not protect you from arrest at the same scene. A demand to leave creates an independent legal basis. Second, if asked to leave a business, leave. Pursue the complaint through the proper agency afterward. Third, probable cause and an appropriate response are not the same question. Crisis indicators should reshape how officers respond. Let us know in the comments which interactions you would like analyzed next. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction content.
Means it's not gonna... No? Okay. Someone's there, yeah, I think so. Do you know her name? She's not giving it?
I gotta look it up. I gotta remember what day I was there last week.
So when you guys got her, what was she doing there? Standing there, she's angry that she says they're selling liquor too.
So I got called for twice last week first time she was having a full-on conversation with herself in a car window, I just let it go. And then we got called the second time because she was screaming out her window for like an hour. She was just screaming bloody murder like this. So we went up, we went in the apartment. 9-year-old son's in there. Yeah. And we ended up pinking and Rule 6 in the kid.
Oh, what is this? My powers. I can make people listen to. You can? Oh, yes. That's what we be doing. We are in them too as well. Because God is in everybody. You idiots. Oh, shit. No, I didn't. Give no fucks. Because you got me in this hot-ass motherfucking car. And you can't breathe in this. Oh, that's what you're trying to do. Oh, yeah. But if I can't breathe, neither can he. Yeah, because I'm just going to go to sleep. Exactly, bitch. Oh, she knows. Yeah, she knows. She just don't want to be in these cuts. It's only until you go to jail. Everybody's still posted. Oh, it's everywhere. Is it? And what's going on? Are they about to, yes. And they're actually about to fly out here. Trump and everything. No, not him, because he hates us. Yes, he does. And he's happy about it. Yes, he is. But I didn't do anything. And they know that. They're so confused, aren't they? Yes. Don't be scared. It is scary, I understand, but they're not. And I can't take you out to your sleep. Yeah. Can't? No, I can't. I was, that's why you couldn't, because I was up. Exactly. But I was up the whole time, but you kept turning me on. Yeah, but I just got to shut my eyes. Right, exactly. I don't have to go to sleep. No, you really know. You're in the hospital. Yeah. I was in and out at the hospital. Yeah. But the other day I was up and you were and I was faking sleep. You were. And you took me out? Yes, I did. I can't do it. Exactly. Stop not believing in yourself because you're scared too, aren't you? I really am because you think they're going to hit me. I do. Oh, they really are? Yes, because I didn't do any and they're not looking normal. They don't know who I am. And they're like, who is this innocent? And she has no record. Oh, you good. Damn, you knew? Yes, I did. Oh, she's still scared. Yes, I am. Oh, yeah, we're going to Joey always go DoorDash that. Yes, we do. Damn. And they know that too? They don't know that part. You're going to tell them that? Yes, I am. I bring them food. And they can look up that you DoorDash because that's an actual job. It is, yes. That's why she was trying to file taxes. And it was not enough. Oh, so they told her don't do it. But actually, I think it was. That's why your taxes were so low. She knows. I did do that. You bitch. They are. They want me to run? Yes. As soon as I got the car, he's going to try to get me. Yes, he is. Oh, that's how you get it. It may pick up and return. Okay. They're going to try to kill. He's bringing out his gun. No, he's not. He's putting it away. Because he has to. Because as you bring out the gun and you shoot an innocent black girl that did nothing, you guys are, oh, man, you're fucking up. We're trying to fix it. They're so confused. Oh, man. Why don't you just kill him? We can. Kill them, please. But we can't. You have to. You got to make them shoot themselves. We can do that, and you're still having fun, and you're not with an innocent one. Yes, you can, but don't do it in front of Taylor. It's too graphic. Make sure he goes in. But what about the cuffs? Fuck. Babe, yes, I can.
I don't know what the dispatcher said, but you were advised to leave several times. You refused to leave the property.
I didn't leave because you guys are the ones that told me to wait. I called you.
It's all for court.
It's all for court?
Yep. We're not going to hold court right here.
I'm not trying to. I'm just letting you know what happened.
Yeah, I was there. It was all being worked through, so.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? They fucked me.